Hi, Harpers, Bazaar, Arabia. This is Maria Hatzistefanis, and I'm going to take you through my morning skincare routine. So just a few things about my skin. I do have a little bit of dryness. I have a little bit of rosacea in this area, pigmentation, and my skin is a combination. So what I do, the first thing when I wake up is I take the Rodial Dragon's Blood Jelly Snake eye patches. I actually keep this in the fridge because I like them quite cool, and I apply them under my eyes. And then what I do is I do a home workout first thing in the morning, so I leave them on while I work out. And the great thing is that they stick under my eyes and they're there for half an hour, 45 minutes. And then when I finish my workout, take them off and my eyes feel depuffed, brighter, lighter, and I feel a little bit of a plumping effect. My first step is cleansing with the Dragon's Blood cleansing water. I love the packaging and the dispenser. It's just so easy. So I pump a few times and I go through and cleanse my face, and I take it over my neck and décolleté. Now, I tend to get breakouts, especially because I wear SPF every day. So what I do is I always double cleanse in the morning, and I use the VC brightening pads. I love this. They're already pre-soaked with vitamin C, glycolic acid, and lactic acid. I make sure that I take off any excess skin, any dead skin cells. My third step is always a serum. And for my serum, I use the Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. I find that my skin tends to be dehydrated, tends to be red, and I just apply a pump of the Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. And what it does, it neutralizes my skin. It makes me feel like my skin is supple, velvety, and it gives me all the moisture. It's a very, very light formula, especially going into the summer. I want to use products that are super light. So today I'm going to use my vitamin C SPF 30, and I am going to mix it with the Soft Focus Glow Drops. I always like to combine the SPF with a product that gives me glow. So what I do is I apply the drops, beautiful, give me that pinky glow, and then I mix it up with the SPF 30. I like to blend products with a brush. So I use the Rodial Powder Precision brush, and I blend my two skincare. And then I just blend. This is very important that I take my SPF all across my neck and décolleté. It smells so good. Freshly cut roses. And so this is my skincare, simple. And what I'm going to do is, before I apply my makeup, I go and conceal all my dark circles. I use the Banana Lowlighter, and I apply a tiny amount on the areas where I tend to get shadows. And then I go with my fingers and I pat. And then I pat here. This is an area that we get a lot of shadows. The great thing with the Banana Lowlighter is that it really blends in. So this is the perfect base to continue with makeup. Then what I do is I take my brush, precision brush again, and just to make sure that everything is blended and my Banana Lowlighter is blended with my skincare, and boom, this is my look for the day, and then off to makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to Harpers Bazaar Arabia. Bye.